Hello. So I thought I would show you how to install Java version or Java, the OpenJDK. I used to use the Java from Oracle, but they changed the licensing on that, so I use OpenJDK instead. And I am on Ubuntu 18.04.2 LTS, and I actually installed the quote-unquote vanilla GNOME on Ubuntu because I don't like the custom version that comes with Ubuntu. But anyway, and you need to open terminal, and then you're going to add a PPA, a repository for OpenJDK, like this. You need to type the password. And it just press enter, and it will automatically update everything. Right, I'm just going to clear this. Then you need to install the OpenJDK. And by the way, I put the links in a paste bin, and I put the link to that paste bin in the video description. So you can just copy the commands. And you can't press Ctrl V here in the terminal, it doesn't work. So you need to right click with your mouse and select paste. And here you can see that I got the OpenJDK version 8. I think the latest version is 11. But I think Java or Minecraft is working with, or working the best with version 8, I think. So I just installed version 8. And right here, press enter, and I will get this message because I already got the latest version of this installed. But otherwise, for you, it will be asking you if you want to install this, and you press Y, the Y key, and then enter, and everything will be installed. And then you are going to update the alternatives like this. And here you can also see that I got the Oracle Java JRE installed. I'm not using that at the moment, so I want to use the OpenJDK instead. And here you can see the selections 01 and 2. And there are two versions here, but one auto mode, one manual mode. I use the manual mode. So I'll select 1 here, press enter. And while we are here, I'm actually going to select this, all this, like that. Right click on it, select copy. And next thing, you can actually paste this in a different document if you want to. And next thing we're going to do while we're here is to, let's see. Yeah, we're going to edit the environment with the text editor. And this is how it will probably look for you. And what you do here, you press end key and then enter for a new row. Then you're going to probably just paste it in, but what they will do here is to Java _home equals quotation mark, and then you're going to paste in the thing that you just copied, and it should be just that one, quotation mark. Then I press Ctrl plus O to save this, and then enter to save this. Then Ctrl X to exit. And then I'm going to restart sort of the Java environment with this command. And I'm going to do a echo Java home. I can see the Java home environment is this. We just paste it in. And if you want to check the Java version, you can do this. And you can see it's Java 8.0 to 12. So yeah, that's kind of how you install and configure Java a little bit. If you are, let's open the Minecraft launcher on Linux. And I have the profiles over here. For example, I already have installed Optifine. And if you actually click on this profile, you get a couple of options. And I activated the Java executable and JVM arguments. And I actually added a little bit more memory. But this is more important, where the Java is. And it should be the same as you pasted in before, like this one. And then I think it should work with this having it disabled, but I'll just do this anyway. And click save. If you're on the latest release, you see it's using the system Java runtime, but when I use Optifine, I actually had to add this into here. So when you go back to news here, you should be using Optifine, or at least install it. So that's kind of how it works on Ubuntu, at least. So yeah, see you later.